In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a back icon in Figma. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive into the process. The first thing you'll want to do is open your Figma file. You can do this by navigating to your Figma workspace and selecting the file in which you want to create your back icon. If you haven't already set up a document, go ahead and create a new one. Once you've got your file open, the next step is to create a frame. Think of a frame like a canvas where you'll design your icon. To do this, use the Frame tool in the top menu. Click and drag on your canvas to establish the size of your frame. It's essential to size it correctly so that your back icon has enough space but isn't overly large. Now that your frame is set up, let's move on to creating the basic shape of the icon. Click on the Rectangle tool in the toolbar. Click and drag to create a rectangle, which will act as the backbone of your back icon. This rectangle will serve as the center structure, so aim for a width that feels balanced for your design. Next, we need to refine our rectangle. After creating it, let's add some style. With the rectangle selected, you'll want to set a stroke of 20 pixels. This is going to give your rectangle a prominent outline. Additionally, fill the rectangle with a black color. You can do this in the right-hand panel where you can find the fill options. This will provide the foundation for the look of your back icon. Now comes the fun part, adding the pointy ends of the back icon. Start by copying the rectangle you just created. You can do this by selecting it and using the copy command. Once copied, rotate the rectangle by 45 degrees. This will create one of the arrow points that defines the back icon. Position this shape so it looks like it's pointing out from the left side of the rectangle. After placing the first point, it's time to create the other side. Copy the rectangle again, and this time rotate it by 135 degrees. Attach this new shape on the opposite side of the original rectangle. Make sure the two pointy ends align well with the central rectangle. This will give your back icon a cohesive and definitive look. And there you have it. Your back icon should be ready now. You can tweak the positioning and sizes if necessary to ensure everything looks just right. Once you're satisfied, feel free to add any additional styling or effects that align with your project. If you followed these steps, you should have created a sleek and stylish back icon in Figma. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more design tips and tricks. Happy designing, and I'll see you in the next video.